Move your fingers.
I'm not
You got your fingers on the camera. Good evening. This is Lamb Place in St John's, Newfoundland. No, Mount Pearl, Newfoundland. So I'm going out into the wilderness. There's about 3-4 inches on the road, and this is the snow mountain. Obviously, it's just too big for me to get up and show you at the top. I'm now
jump into it.
Right, we're blasted here in Mount Pearl in snow and with red wine as well. We've had a cracking night, so enjoy Stourbridge. I hope you don't get quite as much snow as we've got here. All the best. See you next time for part 3.